Hi guys, I'm just trying to show you that stuck pixel which is in the lower part of the screen. This is my replacement laptop that was sent instead of my previous Razer Blade Pro that had a couple of dead pixels. So I think you should be able to identify a bright dot in the middle of the focus area. It's kind of difficult to get this tiny uh, spot into focus. I'm trying to do my best with my Samsung S20 smartphone. So it looks like all these 4K screens have got a chronic issue, dead pixels or some stuck pixels, like in this case. As you can see, that tiny dot is clearly visible. I know that's probably it looks uh, like a white dot, but in reality this is just a very intense green spot. So I will try just to get closer to it, but it just goes out of focus. So here it is. That's, yeah, so it's a green dot, and this is a new replacement.